In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and print checks in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll be able to move from a list of payments to clean professional checks ready for your printer, with confidence that the numbering and order are correct. Before we begin, make sure your pre-printed check stock is loaded in your printer the way your printer requires and that you know the next check number in your physical booklet. That number will be important in a moment. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online. From your main workspace, hover your mouse over the Create menu. When you hover, a panel expands with options related to money in and money out tasks. This is where QuickBooks groups together actions you take frequently, including printing. From that expanded menu, choose Print Checks. This opens the Print Checks window, which lists payments that are ready to be printed as checks. Think of this page as your staging area. You'll review what's going out, confirm the order, and tell QuickBooks what number to start with so the printed checks line up perfectly with your physical stock. At the top, look for Transaction Type and select Check. This filter helps you narrow the list to only the items you intend to print as checks, so you don't accidentally mix in other payment types. If your list looks longer or shorter than expected, a quick glance at this filter often explains why. Next, choose how you want the list arranged with Sort By. Sorting by payee is handy when you're batching vendor payments, while sorting by date helps when you're catching up on recent transactions in chronological order. The key is consistency, so you can quickly scan and confirm everything looks right before you print. Now enter the starting check number. Use the number from the first physical check currently at the top of your printer's tray. QuickBooks will automatically increment that number for each subsequent check in this batch. Taking a moment here prevents duplicate numbers and keeps your check register accurate. When you're satisfied with the list and numbering, select Preview and Print. QuickBooks will generate a print-ready preview so you can double-check alignment, payee names, amounts, and dates. If the text looks slightly off on your paper when you test a page, make sure your printer scale is set to 100% and the paper size matches your check stock. Small tweaks in your printer dialog can make a big difference in alignment. That's it. You hovered over Create, opened to Print Checks, filtered to Check, set your sort order, entered the starting number, and used Preview and Print to finalize. Follow these steps each time you print, and your checks will be consistent, clean, and correctly numbered.